The drone is now assembled. Just a few screws are missing. And let's hope we don't crash into the beautiful tree. But our navigation system, in the background you see the ground station. Our navigation system should lead us correctly and safely from here to the survey area and back. Apparently we will make a survey flight of 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 49 minutes, but cut into two. Why cut into two? Because the batteries only last 25 minutes, so we will have to come back, change the battery pack, and then do a new flight. Let's hope the horse isn't getting freaked out once the drone starts. This is quite the monster, the M300 RTK. Oh look, there's my coffee.